Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 13 surface areas and volumes exercise 13.5 question number 1. A copper wire 3 millimeter in diameter is wound about a cylinder whose length is 12 centimeter and diameter is 10 centimeter so as to cover the curved surface area of the cylinder. Find the length and mass of the wire assuming that the density of the copper to be 8.88 grams per centimeter cube. Now see, this is a cylinder which is 12 centimeter in height and 10 centimeter in diameter, and around this cylinder a copper wire is wrapped like this. A copper wire is wound like this, covering the whole curved surface area of the cylinder. We have to find the length of wire used to cover it fully, and it is given that the diameter of copper wire which is used to wrap this cylinder is 3 millimeter, right? So height of the cylinder is 12 centimeter or 120 millimeter, as 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So I have just written it here also. Now let us see, we will write length of the wire used in 1 round. Now this will be equal to circumference of base of cylinder. See, this wire is wrapped around a cylinder. So in 1 round, the length of wire used will be circumference of the base of cylinder. That will be equal to 2 pi, and here since I am taking circumference of the base of cylinder, so radius will be used as the radius of cylinder. Diameter is given to be 10, so radius will be 10 by 2. So it will be equal to 3.14 into 10, so which will be equal to 31.4 centimeter. So when this wire is wrapped around a cylinder in 1 round, length of wire used will be 31.4 centimeter. Let us find the number of rounds. For number of rounds, see, this height is 120 millimeter. And this height which is covered in 1 round, this is the diameter of the wire which is 3 millimeter. So number of rounds will be 120 over 3, 40. So 40 rounds are there, and in 1 round length of the wire is 31.4. So we will write length of wire used in 40 rounds, that will be equal to 40 multiplied by wire used in 1 round, and this will be equal to 1256 centimeter. See, the question is find the length and mass of the wire. So here we have calculated the length of the wire. Length of wire comes out to be 1256 centimeter. Now we have to find the mass of wire. Now mass is, now see, density is also given. Mass is volume multiplied by density. So that means we have to first find the volume of the wire. So let us now consider a wire. Now remember, wire is cylindrical in shape. Now for this given wire, length of the wire is 1256 centimeter, which becomes the height of this cylinder, and diameter is given to be 3 millimeter, which is 3 by 10 centimeter. So radius will be 3 by 20 centimeter. This is for the wire. So volume of wire, that will be equal to pi r square h, as it is cylindrical in shape. Pi r square into h. So let us calculate it. 22 by 7 into 3 by 20 into 3 by 20 into 1256. Now this is 10, this is 11, this is 10, this is 628 by 5, by 2 it is 5, this is 314, this is 5 and this is 157. So we are left with 11 nines are 99 into 157 over 7 into 5 into 5, that is 7 into 25, 175, and this will be equal to 15543 over 175. Finally, the volume of wire equals to 88.82 centimeter cube. Now mass of the wire is equal to volume multiplied by density. Now volume is 88.82 and the density is 8.88, and when we will multiply it, we will get 788.72 grams. This will be the answer. So mass of the wire will be 788.72 grams.